Perfectly cured prints are closer than ever. Here's how to get started with your RileyCure Tabletop Conveyor Dryer. Plug in the control panel into a dedicated 120-volt power source. Never place hands inside the unit during operation or heat up. There are 3 key ways to adjust curing temperature on your RileyCure Tabletop Conveyor Dryer: gate height, heating element position, and belt speed. Adjust the gate height before turning on the main power. The gates will become hot during operation. Allow to cool before readjusting. You can raise or lower the heating element using the adjustment knobs. Set the belt curing speed with the belt speed knob. Ensure the belt is set to move before turning on the unit. Turn the power switch on. The red indicator light will illuminate. The unit reaches working temperature in 10 minutes. Keep the belt moving at all times to prevent damage. Turn power off at the main disconnect panel to power down. Now you're ready to create flawless prints with confidence. Shift your shop into overdrive with the RileyCure Tabletop Conveyor Dryer.